Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, passenger airbag, power windows. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.